at what time, and so on and so forth. So it was not really a critical component of the slot machine. So one day, MGM Grand called us up and say, we have a problem. These machines are just failing left and right. And the way they described it is, when we fix one, 1.5 will break. So the more they fix, the more units will start to break. So we were thinking, it cannot be a software issue, but they dragged me down anyway. So when we got there, we rented a zap gun. They have scientific zap guns. Basically kind of like a taser, but for electronic devices. You can actually program.
Like an EMP?
Yeah, you can program the amount of joules, in terms of energy and also the voltage to zap an electronic device. So we took all these things down and then we tested our equipment, because we said, okay, it could be the communication port that's causing the problem. So we zapped the communication port all we want, and the board still works because the component was rated to be able to deal with ESD up to a certain amount. And up to that amount, certainly we did not cause any failure. So anyway, since we only have 2 minutes left, I have to kind of shortcut everything to the end. So then we observed live of how they fixed one of the boards because it just happened. So they dragged us all the way to see how the technician repaired the board. And so the technician would go there and then he would touch the case to discharge any type of electrostatic energy, and then he will open it up.
On the carpet, right?
No, that was not it. So then he will open up the case, and then start to look inside, okay, unscrew parts and whatnot. And then he will walk back to the tool bin to get another tool, get another board or whatnot without ESD protection. When he walks back, he would just develop enough, electrostatic energy. So right when he repairs, quote unquote, repairs the board, because the thing is already open, so he did not have to touch the chassis of the machine to discharge again. So so that's the moment where he would actually discharge and not only kill the part itself, those parts are all networked.
Oh no.
So the energy got onto the wire, the communication wire, and killed the neighbors also. That's how we can get for one repair, they will get 1.5 failure out of it. So they just had to change their procedure. The technicians have to use a different way. They have to wear these ESD protection devices and whatnot. And after that, we have not heard from MGM Grand again.
We got this guy at work
their
who gets in the computer to clean it out, and he takes like a regular towel and just starts wiping down the inside. He was putting together an IV pump, and he had it sitting on a towel, just a terry cloth towel.
But according to the manual, it has to be slightly moist.
Well, slightly moist with discharge, not generates that.
Oh, so it's the discharge that killed it.
He's taking out boards and he's working on it on a towel.
That's a professional electronics repair there.
He's old school Air Force, so he worked on like the ENIAC or whatever the thing in NORAD, the big tube computer. So
Before CMOS. BC,
way to
there
break
you
it
go.
was to drop
BC, how many years BC? Before CMOS.
Uh-huh. What was the time in CE before BC?
All right, so that's it. I will upload the video clip